There are three forms of business ownership. Number one is sole proprietorship, number two is partnership, and number three is joint stock company, called another name is corporation. सोल प्रोप्राइटरशिप, व्हाट इज मेंट बाय सोल प्रोप्राइटरशिप? सोल प्रोप्राइटरशिप एक ऐसा बिजनेस होता है इसमें सिर्फ एक ओनर होता है और जितना भी प्रॉफिट और लॉस होता है बिलोंग टू हिम। उसकी इन्वेस्टमेंट अपनी इन्वेस्टमेंट होती है और वो किसी से प्रॉफिट या इन्वेस्टमेंट शेयर नहीं करता। ही कैन टेक डिसीशंस फ्रीक्वेंटली और एनी टाइम by him, and he has no required any help. So sole proprietor business is a businessman who took quick decisions. It is the most popular form of business organization in Pakistan, in all over the country or over the world. Second kind of business ownership is partnership, in which two or more than two persons involved in the business. They share profit and loss according to agreed ratio among them, and share profit and loss according to their capital. Maybe they decide equally invest and equally distribute their profit or loss. So partnership business is a business in which is divided, which helps two or more than two persons involved in their business, 2 to 20 persons involved in normal business, and 2 to 10 persons involved in banking business. And the last one is joint stock company. Joint stock company is a voluntary association in which large number of people invest their capital, and this business share profit or according to their investment. The capital is fixed, and this organization are registered with the stock exchange or a government department. It has two types: private joint stock companies or public joint stock company. In other words, you can say private business company or public company. Public company is belong to government, while the private companies are belongs to people, private owners. The investors, also called promoters, another name of investors are members or shareholders. They invest their capital according to their ability to invest and capacity to invest, and they are large in number. So this is the third type of form of business ownership, which is registered as a corporation or company with government. Thank you.